How to remotely access your computer using a Google account. With just a Gmail account, you can access your computer from anywhere. No need to install complex network devices or port forwarding on your router. Follow these steps. I have a desktop computer and a laptop. I will access the desktop from the laptop. On the desktop, set it up as follows. Chrome Remote Desktop. Remote Desktop Google. Access my computer. Install. Install. Install app Chrome Remote Desktop. Chrome Remote Desktop. Access my computer. Enter your Google account, email or phone. Enter your password. Two-step authentication. Use phone for two-step authentication. Remote access. Set up remote access. Download extensions. Chrome Remote Desktop. Add to Chrome. Add extension. Chrome Remote Desktop has been added to Chrome. Close. Save. Accept and install. Chrome Remote Desktop host. Install. Set up computer name calculate. Next. Set PIN. Minimum 6 characters. Re-enter new PIN. Start. OK. Desktop ready. Next, I'll use my laptop to remotely access the desktop. On your laptop, install the Chrome Remote Desktop application, just like on your desktop. Make sure you use the same Google account on both your desktop and laptop. Remote access. Remote devices. Desktop. Connect. Connecting. Enter PIN. This is how to remotely access your computer using your Google account. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Good luck. Now you can control your desktop from your laptop.